I guarantee you've seen this castle. It's on every calendar and cookie tin in the world.
Welcome to the world-famous Eilean Donan Castle.
This isn't just another Scottish castle, it's the Scottish castle. The first time I came here, it was clouded, and I failed to get the shot. So I knew I had to come back and do it right. What a difference, right? So I went back after a round trip on the Isle of Skye for the perfect sunset shot. When I was there, something magical happened. A wedding. That means the castle was closed, and it meant I had to complete a new challenge. Find the best secret spots to see it. Today we're going over this castle's wonderful story, and then I will give you the exact locations I found that made it a photographer's dream. My first visit was super cloudy, which was actually perfect for the castle's history. The castle's story began in the 13th century as a defense against Viking raids. It was a massive fortress until it caught up in a rebellion in 1719. Spanish soldiers were hiding here, so the Royal Navy literally blew it up, and it was left in ruins for 200 years. The epic castle we see today is a 20th century recreation that was rebuilt and reopened in 1932. The castle's beauty has made it a certified movie star. It was the legendary home of Clan MacLeod in the cult classic Highlander, and was even a secret MI6 base in the James Bond movie The World Is Not Enough. So I came back for the sunset, only to find the wedding. That's when I started the hunt for the ultimate photo spots. The normal spot is from the main parking lot with the bridge. That's the basic shot. But I found an even better view from the Dorney Bridge, which lets you frame the castle with these epic mountains. Eilean Donan's fame is the perfect combination of an unbelievable location, a crazy history and an epic story of rebirth. Its wonderful reconstruction created the picture-perfect icon of the Highlands that is recognized across the entire world. What's the most incredible castle you've ever been to? Tell me in the comments below.